20% of all Americans will experience a home invasion, and most of these break-ins occur through the exterior door. 38% of all reported assaults occur during a home invasion. Hi, my name is Douglas Grzina, inventor of the Door Defense. My product is the answer to prevent home invasion. Door Defense is a very important product for your home. It's powder coated so it won't rust or corrode. There's stainless steel screws to go into the stud of the frame of your house. They go from the top to the bottom of your door frame. Other products on the market are only a small section. Thank you for joining us today. And as you can see from the video, how awesome this product is to defend your home. It's not about protecting your things, it's about protecting your family.